Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Nate from Nate and Karen. Today I got a project that I have to fix around the house. About a month ago, I had a leak up in my ceiling, as you can see, and it was from the toilet from upstairs in the bathroom in the hallway, and I fixed that, but I didn't do the patchwork here. So today I have to take care of that. So this is the first episode of Honey, when are you gonna fix this? I got four things that I'm gonna need to fix it. My razor, with a putty knife, joint compound, and some tape. With that, I am going to tackle this here. Oh, and I need a ladder too, so I'll grab that in a second. Okay, so first I wanna cover the TV up here that's hanging on the wall, because I don't want anything to get into the TV. Open my joint compound. Now let's get some mud. I think I did a pretty good job. So with that, I'm going to say that is the end of this video. I hope I helped someone out there out that's in the same position I am with their wife or their spouse or their girlfriend, whatever. But all I ask is that you like, you share, you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you see my wife around town, tell her I did a good job. And ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? I gotta go.